Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how you can download Facebook videos without any application on Android or iOS devices. For this one you have to open Facebook application. Then you have to click on these three lines which you can see at the top right side. Then click on videos on watch. Then you have to select the video that you want to download. Click on the video. Then you have to click on these three dots which you can see at the top right side. Then copy the link. Then close the Facebook. After copying the link, now you have to open Google Chrome or any browser that you are using on your Android or iOS devices. We'll open Google Chrome. Then you have to paste the video link here and then click on go. Then you have to edit the link. Click on this pin sign. After M you have to type basic. Then click on go. So here you have to keep one thing in your mind, you have to log into your Facebook account here in the browser also. Then click on play button. The video will start playing. Then you have to click on the video and then you have to click on these three dots once again and then click on download. So that's it, your video will start downloading on your Android or iOS devices. So in the same way you can also download any Facebook video without any application on Android or iOS devices. If you still have any question, then comment below in the comment section, we will answer all of your queries.